All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Crypto Moose. Moose is loose. Let's get into it. I've been buying heavy. Whenever I'm wearing this, it means I just went nuts. I probably went on MinSwap, probably woke up in a panic, and I'm like, oh crap, I just spent like $5,000 on crypto. That's usually what happens. My voice is going to be gone. I am picking up crypto. Like, here's my thing, and I want to know if you're all like this too. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Let's do that. Like and subscribe, because it's for your own benefit. But let me know. Do you have problems buying a new pair of shoes for like 40, 50 bucks or even $100, but you'll drop $1,000 on crypto like nothing? Like, I have holes in my shoes, but I feel like I don't need to replenish it. I need to replenish my wallets. So let me know if anybody else is going through the same thing. I just don't understand why I would need new shoes when, I could just, wear the same shoes, but keep all my crypto tokens. So anyways, I go through that. Comment down below if you all go through the same thing. So where are we at today? We are at 16,974. And again, I do film these ahead of time by at least a few days because I'm busy. You think it's easy managing $10 million worth of crypto? No, it's not easy, right? I mean, I got Sam Bankman-Fried sending me $1 billion. He's like, can you put this somewhere? I'm like, Sam, quit contacting me. Where are you? It's unbelievable, right? The guy just wires me $1 billion. I'm like, Sam, I don't need this. Get a haircut. My God. All right, so that's where we're at, 16,988, okay? So what we're talking about is Twitter. Is Twitter going to be bringing crypto to their platform, right? So no brainer, as Elon Musk has said. I know he's talked about it in the past, but comment down below if you all think that Elon should or could, or do you think he will bring crypto to Twitter, and if so, which coin? I think obviously Dogecoin, or of course probably Bitcoin. That would be the initial reaction. But what I think he's going to be making a Twitter coin. I found an article on it, but even before this, I was thinking maybe he will do this. He's like, who's going to stop him? He's also going to be able to figure out a way to pull it off, right? And that's the thing. I think a lot of people are bothered by it. I'm sure Zuckerberg is upset because he wasn't able to launch a coin, but nobody likes him in comparison to Elon Musk. I do like Zucks actually somewhat. Like, he's done some cool things, but I mean, other than ripping off the Hodge twins, like, he hasn't done very much. But anyways, we'll talk about that another time. So we will try to close out of this. So Elon Musk says bringing crypto to Twitter is a no-brainer. And I don't know how legit these news articles are. Again, do your own research. I'm just an investor. I'm just having fun. I'm just like you. Some of this could literally be fake news. I have no idea. I'm also Canadian, so give me a break. Like, I'm looking at American prices. I got to convert this to our crappy dollar. Like, guys, give me a break, man. Like, look at our money. We're still using coins, eh? Like, oh my God. Anyways, our money looks like Monopoly money. So that's that one article. Here's the one I really want to get into, and we'll go full screen. Sorry, this thing is just heavy around my neck. This is gold. Oh. So, Twitter coin coming soon. Leak emerges by Sayonara, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. I think that's a name of somebody. I don't know. But we have this little leak, what some people are calling a leak. It looks like something I built in Canva, by the way. Right? But if that coin comes out, that will be the new chain. That will be the new logo. That'll be the logo of this channel. Comment down below, subscribe. I know I already mentioned it, but anyways, do it again. Subscribe on multiple accounts. So here you go. Here's somewhat of a leak, apparently. I think it looks kind of cool, actually. And I think the idea, like, I'll get a little more serious. I think the idea of actually having a cryptocurrency that's verified, maintained on the blockchain, for a place like Twitter would be cool, because if you're tweeting a lot, if you're an influencer, you could leave tips, right? And all you would need is a Twitter account, and you could transact pretty easily, right? That would that would be very powerful though. Um, just imagine, a place like Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, which Facebook owns. Imagine being able to just send money like without any friction, peer to peer, in a decentralized fashion. That's pretty sweet. I think it would be cool, right? Like even on YouTube, it'd be cool if you guys could just tip me in some crypto, right? I do have the ADA handle, crypto. You use Red Cape. So $ REDCAPE. I'm not telling you to send me any crypto, but if you do, I won't complain. Maybe send me, maybe send me like 2 Bitcoin or something. That'd be nice. That would really change my life. So there you go. This is kind of like an idea. And again, these are leaks. I don't know how legit this is. Let me know if you think this is real. Maybe I'm showing something that some scammers like, man, he's doing a video on this. Unbelievable. Look at all these ads too. My gosh. What does a Twitter coin mean for Dogecoin and Bitcoin? This is something I highlighted I thought was kind of interesting. Elon Musk had shared recently, as of November 27th, his intention for digital payments. And what he said is, the Everything app. And I know he's talked about it, but he didn't buy Twitter. Like maybe he did buy it as a, somewhat of like a meme. I mean, like he has so much money and influence, but I think why he really bought it was to make it better, right? I mean, he got into the company, fired everybody, right? He's like, get out of my office, right? We're bringing a coin, right? I don't want any politics. I'm building rockets. I'm Elon Musk, right? Like, come on, he brought in that sink. Like, this guy's kind of a troll. He's very interesting. Um, but again, I have mixed feelings. I don't know how I feel about Elon 100%. I'd like to think he's pretty cool, but the Neuralink stuff is unbelievable. But anyways, back on track. It would be great to see a Twitter coin. I think that would be really cool. It would be good for my portfolio in general because I know the layer ones I'm in, they're going to thrive, especially if like the problem, especially with the FTX news, and let me know if you all agree. I think the problem is that it really took out the trust. And I'll have to take my time and do a video on FTX. There's just so much going on now. Like the guy is unbelievable. Still hasn't cut his hair. Still hasn't cut his hair. Unbelievable. Like I need a haircut, but my good, like if I had hair like that, my company would go under, right? Like this channel would go under, right? You'd be like, man, this guy's got like 1 week left before this YouTube channel implodes, right? Let alone controlling billions of dollars of other people's money. Man, if somebody gave me $1 billion and they were like, just be responsible with it, are you kidding me? Come on. Like we're about the same age. Like I'm 29. Like I'm gonna mess that up, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with that money. Are you kidding me? I mean, I would have some fun. I would buy the latest cameras. I would buy so much meld. Oh my, MinSwap would be liquidated. MinSwap, like any Cardano DEX, would be like, who came in here? Like what happened? This is unbelievable. All the Kopi would be gone. I would own 30% of all Kopi or whatever I would get for like $1 billion. I would put all in Kopi. I'd do something reckless. But anyways, that's all I wanted to share in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you think that Elon is going to be, bringing crypto to Twitter, whether that's in the form of their own native token, like a Twitter coin, or if they're going to be bringing, a different blockchain like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which would be cool. And imagine too, I just want to get this point across, people are going to flex their status online. And they will do that through digital tokens, right? They will do that. For example, you'll own a watch NFT and you could flex a Rolex with your profile picture. That will be a thing. You will be able to, like with your online dating account or something in the future, a lady will be like, "Oh my God, he has a boss cat." Like, that's because I own one. But For example, like that's going to be happening. You're going to be giving gifts, right? That'd be a cool Christmas gift. Like we're in this digital era. Kids growing up today, think about it. Kids growing up today, they may never drive. They're probably never going to drive. They're going to have an autonomous car. They're not going to drive a gasoline car, most likely, right? A kid growing up today who's 3, by the time he's 16, he's in trouble, man. He's not doing anything, right? Everything's going to be done for him. So anyways, just wanted to get you thinking. Remember, I mention this every dang time. Get a hardware wallet because you don't want to leave your money on FTX or the next exchange that's going down, right? And by the way, research the CEOs. Research CEOs. Make sure they're not doing anything weird. So anyways, not your keys, not your cheese. We'll see you in the next episode.